I'm like eating as if I haven't had anything to eat all day.
Like,
Oh my God, that's it. I quit my other job. I will work for her. Today, we're gonna make paletas, a very popular Mexican frozen dessert. And not only are we gonna make just a typical paleta, Chef Fany Gerson here at Newyorkina is gonna show us how to make a flan flavored paleta. I'm so curious to find out how she's gonna keep that caramel fluid enough to emulate the flan aspect. And she's never done this before, so this is new for everyone. What makes a paleta versus what most Americans know as like a popsicle?
like a popsicle.
Yeah.
I can only tell you that from a Mexican point of view. One day we were craving paletas. So we looked for the popsicles, and I'm like, what is this? It was gross. It was like Kool-Aid on a stick.
Kool-Aid on a stick.
So paletas, I think the most common are fruit-based, and fruit is very celebrated in Mexico because it's very abundant. And so I think it's just much more diverse. There's shops that sell just paletas, the way that like in Italy you have gelaterias, and here you have ice cream shops.
Flan is a traditional Mexican dessert.
Yes, it's one of our most popular desserts.
Very popular. Okay.
Yeah.
Why are you doing the flan paleta test now?
And now that it's getting a little chilly, I crave, creamier flavors.
Okay.
The elements that I love about the flan is like that deep, dark caramel, that's kind of oozy, but how do you get that into a paleta that doesn't just spill all over?
I am so excited. All right, what's first?
The first step is making the custard base. So this one we're gonna fill all the way up because we want the edges to freeze to empty it, and then we're gonna do a caramel center.
Okay. Oh gosh. Don't look. Don't look. I will fix it.
You have to have fun with it. The perfection is in the imperfection.
Oh.
So you see how it's like hollow? Now we're gonna do the caramel. When I tried this the first time, it was like so liquidy, it just went everywhere. So what I did is I made a caramel sauce, but thicker. But to this one, I added some gelatin to help it keep frozen.
Oh,
so this
whoa.
is like
Now
a
that definitely
caramel.
looks like different caramel.
Yeah.
I believe I know the answer to why paleta, because there are no good paletas in New York.
Yeah. Being away from home is what brought me closer to it. It's not as common or as known as, French patisserie or the Viennese pastries. I really wanted to focus a large part of what I did in sharing the sweetness of Mexico.
Is the caramel just sinking to the top?
I think we're going to see.
We're gonna find, oh, you've never even done?
No, not with such different consistency,
Okay.
density.
Oh, ooh, okay.
Go for it. I'm really excited about this one.
I'm so jazzed. This won't even get the middle. This is just gonna get the outside.
I think we stir it.
All right. Oh, I can feel how hard the edges are.
This is very exciting. We have many variables.
Oh man, I love experimenting.
The moment of truth.
I'm so excited. That looked like a good bite. I saw the stretch of that caramel and then it snapped back. Oh.
So the question is, if you do it's still kind of holding. So this one seems like it sunk.
But this seems like a very good outcome because
But
it like you were saying, it looks
like a flan. The most surprising thing for me is the texture that it has is a texture that I haven't had in any paleta because it has a bite to it like a flan.
I couldn't choose one right now. We have to pop out the next round. Oh my
my
God.
God.
Is it supposed to be that melty?
No. No, but they look tasty.
Oh my God.
I gotta say that even though it doesn't ooze,
So
the
good.
texture, how it melts in your mouth is way better. Like way better. Because you know what happened? Remember when we stir it? The base seeped into it. Like here you have more of the caramel and then here you have sort of the combination. The consistency is like flan. Like this turned out way better than I thought it was going to.
Oh, you guys are so jealous right now. Which one would make it to the menu?
None yet.
Oh,
None
ooh,
yet.
curveball.
Like flavor-wise, I think
Nailed it.
we're good. I think the one to retest is the one with the caramel with just a little bit of gelatin. The one where we stirred it,
Yeah.
for sure.
Well, thank you so much for letting us into your lab of paletas, even just the thoughtfulness into flavor and quality and taking the time to really develop. Like, you're not just making a flan, you're like testing many variations to
Yeah.
like put out the best product. And I think that your efforts really do shine through.
We try. I'm super excited that
Yeah.
you were able to come, and I can't wait for you to taste the final.
Yes.
We're very close.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.